If you've ever had to clean up a CRM that was full of test records, bad imports, or just years of junk data, and you were sitting there deleting things one at a time, this is going to fix that. Bulk delete is available across custom objects, companies, and tasks in HighLevel. You can select as many records as you want and remove them in a single action. And if you delete something by mistake, you have 60 days to get it back. Let's jump in to see how it works. To bulk delete company records, go to Contacts in your left-hand menu bar, then Companies in the top menu bar. You're going to see your list view of companies with a checkbox on the left side of each row. Click those checkboxes to make your selections, and a bulk actions bar appears at the top. We'll click delete and then confirm by typing delete in the dialog box and pushing delete again. The progress logs for that job will show up in the bulk actions. You can check this by clicking view progress or by clicking the three dots in the right-hand side of your screen and clicking bulk actions so you can see it running. If you need to restore the records you deleted, click the three dots under the actions column and hit restore. It's worth being clear on this before you click confirm. When you delete a company record, you're removing the record itself and all its field values. You're also removing all of its associations, so links to related contacts, opportunities, custom objects, etc. The related records themselves don't get deleted. If the company was linked to a contact, the contact is still there, the link between them is just gone. Now let's look at how to do this in Tasks. Go to Tasks by clicking Contacts in the left-hand menu bar, then Tasks in the top menu bar. We'll use the checkboxes to select the ones we want to delete. Click Delete from the Bulk Actions bar and confirm by again typing delete in the pop-up. To restore, we'll find the three dots at the right-hand side of the screen, select Bulk Actions, find the action we want to reverse, click the three dots in the Actions column and select Restore. The same exact process applies for custom objects. Go to the custom object you want to clean up on your left-hand menu bar, use the checkboxes to select your records, hit delete from the bulk actions bar, and confirm on the pop-up by typing delete. The same associations logic applies. Deleting the record removes the links to notes, tasks, contacts, etc., but the associated records stay. If you delete something you shouldn't have in bulk actions, here's how you get it back. Go to your custom object, find the three dots on the right-hand side of the screen and select bulk actions. Find the deletion job in the table, click the three-dot menu on the right and click restore. The restore runs as its own job and shows up in the bulk actions table, and once it completes, the records come back with their field values and associations intact. You have 60 days from the deletion date to do this for custom objects, tasks, and companies. After 60 days, they're gone permanently, so don't wait on it if you catch a mistake. That's bulk delete for companies, custom objects, and tasks. The same steps and same behavior and same restore process across all three. Select what you want gone, delete, and confirm. And if you need it back, bulk actions is where you go. If you're dealing with a messy import or years of stale test data in your CRM, this is how you clean it up without spending an afternoon clicking through records one by one. Kylie here again. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, we would really appreciate if you liked and subscribed because we do post new content all the time on new features that HighLevel has, feature deep dives, as well as how-tos based on requests from our audience. If you have questions or want a specific video made, please put them in the comments. We do reply and we will take video requests as we see them. And if you want to actually access our full vault of HighLevel how-to videos, deep dives, Q&As, etc., and have a monthly troubleshooting call live with us, make sure you check out the link for Hacking HighLevel below. And if you want a more customized version of HighLevel, we actually own ServiceFox as well, which is our specific solution for contractors and local service providers inside of the HighLevel format with some custom options that we dropped in there to make it easier than ever to run your local service business. We'll see you in the next one.